Hello guys, you are all watching CNH City and I'm your favorite Sagling Mandal is going to explain what is a monsoon. Without wasting any more second, let's get started. First come the introduction part, that is what is a monsoon. A monsoon is a seasonal change in the direction of the prevailing or strongest winds of a region. Monsoons cause wet and dry seasons throughout much of the tropics. Monsoons are most often associated with the Indian Ocean. Also, it always blows from cold to warm regions. Now, here's a map with different regions in India experiencing different amount of rainfall throughout the year. You can understand this by the given index. So I think you have all understood this part. Now let's move on some advantages of monsoon rain. First is monsoon rains give a good beneficiary for the farmers and agriculture. Obviously, because in our India, most farmers depend on the monsoon rain for the production of their crops. Next is the rainfall helps in storing water for irrigation, electric power, and drinking. Okay. In the third part, it is given a proper usage of monsoon leads to the prosperity for agriculture and everyone. Next is specific crops, rice like rice and tea depend only on monsoon rainfall. Yes, because they are kharif crops, that's why most of the water needed for their production is fully come from rainwater. And next is the body responds better to treatments, that is mainly done in the monsoon, because in the next point it is given that the climate is more comfortable. That is, if the climate is more comfortable, so any treatment done to our body, it will respond better than any other season. Also, the monsoon is more relaxing than any other season. So, I think you have all understood the advantages of monsoon rain. Now, let's move on some of the disadvantages of monsoon rain. You can see a child sitting beside a rainy glassy pane. In the first point it is given, rainwater creates flood situation everywhere and hence that kills thousands of people and animals. You all know that when there is a continuous and excessive rainfall in an area, then flood situation can arrive in the low-lying regions. So the first point is true. Next is excess rainfall forces migration of the people living in the area closer to river catchment. Obviously, when there will be a flood situation, then the people will migrate. In the third point it is given, also rainwater causes excessive load on our drainage system. We can all experience this in when there's a excessive rain in our area. The drains get blocked and the water from there just split off, that is comes out. So what a messy situation can arrive in that. Next is that rain also triggers erosion, which strips away the soil's rich layer, that is the top layer, which is also known as a horizon because it contains the humus, and we all know humus is required by plants for their growth. So if it will just strip off, how the plants will grow? Risk to human life, damage to buildings and infrastructure, and loss of crops and livestock, obviously. And at the last it is given, landslides which can threaten human life, disrupt transport and communications, and cause damage to buildings and infrastructure. So, I think you have all understood the disadvantages of monsoon rain. At last, I will say that there are many advantages and disadvantages of monsoon rain. But you always enjoy monsoons with great happiness in your heart. So, thanks for watching for my this presentation.